I like this place. Quiet and peaceful.
Indeed.
So, how was school today?
Great. I enjoyed it very much. Especially during Mrs. Stumer class. I like her so much.
Ah. Mrs. Stumer. I like her too. She is a great teacher. She is my heroine.
Your heroine?
Yes. She knew my talent in singing, and she also knew that I was so shy. She encouraged me to be more confident. She said, "It is okay to be nervous. It shows that you want to do your best. Just keep performing and you will be able to handle your nerve." And now, look at me. I am Star, a professional singer. Mrs. Stumer is a true heroine. By the way, who is your hero?
My dad is my hero.
Your daddy?
Yeah, he is smart and caring. He takes me to school every day, helps me with my school project, and taught me how to ride a bike, and oh, he also takes me to go fishing once a month. I love fishing.